Let me explain this. Science has proven that 5 minutes is normal for sex. 7 minutes is a little over normal. 13 minutes is abnormal. So please, why don't you find a way to create more satisfaction? If now is for someone, anything one I won't do, just do. But I beg, because I've noticed that a lot of young men, he dropped and died. He fainted. He slumped. 20-something-year-old boy, 30-something-year-old boy, 40-something-year-old men. We are losing our men because they are on aphrodisiac. They are on sex enhancement drugs. Some are taking tramadol, some are on weed, some are taking all manners of combined service concoctions and mixtures just because he wants to satisfy. In the process, he dies. Who loses? The mother. Like as I born 5 children now, God forbid, 5 boys. So make we know they force this man to go overboard. Because I never see person where receive award though for sexual prowess. This thing not be www.sex wrestling championship. I've never seen people who have won awards or received so much money for winning the contest. So I've seen people who ended up in the mortuary. I've seen people who died. I've seen fathers lose their sons. I've seen mothers lose their sons. I've seen wives lose their husbands. I've seen children lose their fathers because the man is taking sex enhancers and aphrodisiacs just to satisfy. You need to stop it. Use that energy. Go and get your life together. Women are beg, may we help this man. May we know they harder. In our one co harder. In our fight, it will kill you in watch. Harder. Walking out, harder. Yen we cardiac arrest. Harder. Walk what oko. Odogu batian harder. Get gonna harder day. I beg, make we take them easy. They know they win an award. I'll conclude with saying, guys, it's important that you help your woman to come. Start with foreplay. There are so many things to do. Make her not go on the talk and me. Go and Google it. How to satisfy your woman. Start with those things: kissing, hugging, touching, foreplay. You know now. There are so many things now. We go fit help so that when they go do the 5 minutes, you go now orgasm. Babes, I beg, if not don't they drink something, more than they drink, more than they take this man harder. Try and come at that time that the man is coming. Try and come at that time. To come at that time. Why not they kill our children for us? I beg. Harder. It's not satisfying me. Let's learn to enjoy what we have. Love is about contentment. It's about the feelings. It's about the emotion. It's about the intimacy. It's about the satisfaction. It's about the joy of togetherness, the joy of companionship. It's about the joy of knowing that this person is here for me forever. You can be in the arms of the one you love without sex, and it will be the most beautiful experience you ever have. You can, let's understand what love is. And let's not conclude that sex is love. Sex is just a part of love. Sex can function without love, but love is everything. My name is CJ Mama, and I'll see you again. God bless you.